Manufacturing Day is a national event. We're part of a national movement to introduce more people to STEM, to introduce more people within STEM into manufacturing, and that's a critical part of the future. We're very busy right now and we really don't have time for this, but you have to make time for this. You have to build for the future and build the students. So what I hope is that this lays the groundwork of how we're going to be interacting with these students from middle school to high school on up, and hopefully inspiring them to go lead into a technical field and then into manufacturing, and hopefully a few of them even here at the Index.
This is the first event that I've actually brought a group of students to, and it really sparked my attention because one of the things that we talk about in our classes is manufacturing, and I think it's important that students understand not only what manufacturing is, but also when they're designing something that they need to design it to be able to be manufactured. So these entry-level students are now getting a grasp of how things are manufactured, and it also might spark their attention to maybe continue in the engineering world.
So we've been in partnership for over 2 years, and this is really the next step in our partnership. Over the last few years, we've provided interns and graduates for the Index facility here in Noblesville. And as those graduates have become more empowered to work here at Index, they saw the value, and that this machine now will be able to help our graduates and interns be better prepared to work here at Index. This kind of technology we currently do not have, and this will give students to be able to do more advanced manufacturing labs than we currently have. So they'll be better prepared for the workforce because of this technology and the donation from Index.